Sell eco-friendly reusable products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your shop in this platform where you will be able to sell your products. So let's get started by clicking on the sign in button to register your new account, and if you already have an account like me, just click on sign in. Before that, type your email and your password, of course, then click on sign in, and then as you can see, this is the dashboard where you have the personalized gifts, DIY and crafts for kids and babies, which all are categories. And if you don't know, in this platform you can sell your own products or you can shop other products if you want. So here, let's go to the shop manager in your top right. As you can see, you have this button in here. Click on shop manager, and then you proceed to setting up your store. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. So you start with the shop preferences, and just for your information, you will need to go through all of these steps and fill each one of them the correct way. If you just miss one of them, you can't continue to the next step. So make sure to fill everything the right way. So let's start with the shop preferences by choosing the language, the country, and the currency. So for me, I prefer to always leave it in the United States dollar to avoid any confusion. Then you go with save and continue to proceed to giving a name for your shop. So here I'm just going to choose the niche's name as a name for my shop. So guys, I advise you to consider your name very carefully. I'm just doing this to show you how you can do that. And here make sure to remove every special character, spaces or accented letters. And here we still have a special character. I removed F, and here we are, but it's still more than 20 characters. So I'm just going to shorten products, make it like this, and let's shorten friendly to eco-friendly. Let's remove reusable, and let's leave it like that. Let's add eco-friendly, and that's good. So let's remove this one to make it unique. So now it's unique. As you can see, this name is available. Then click on save and continue, and then you proceed to the stock your shop, as you can see. And here guys, as I said before, you will need to fill all of these information the correct way. If you just miss one of these information without filling it, when you click on save and continue, you will not be able to proceed to the next step. As you can see, fill out all of the required fields correctly in order to proceed to the next step. So here, as you can see, please upload at least one photo. So here you will need to upload at least one, but if you want my advice or my opinion, I suggest to upload as much photos as you can. It will help always sell more. And of course, follow these tips. Use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn or used. That will help the buyers to see how the item would look in their hands. Then shoot against a clean simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. And then you have the video. If you have a video, it's always better than a picture or a photo, and that's, everyone knows that a video always sells more than pictures. So here, if you can just film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used, that will be great. That will be great for selling more. And also adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. Then we proceed to the listing details, and here you will need to type a title for your product. So for me, like always, I'm just going to type in again my niche's name, answer these questions. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? Made to order. And then choose a category. So just type in your product's name and they will suggest the categories that are related to your product. As you can see, eco-friendly reusable products, in dish cloths and kitchen towels, cleaning products, packets and gifts, conditioners and treatment, and so on. So here I'm just going to use the first one. Then if you want to fill these other optional things, as you can see, I'm just going to ignore them. Then you choose one of these options. If it's an automatic, for the renewal option, choose one of these options, automatic or manual. And for the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, if you want to make it easier, just go to ChatGPT, type a line or two explaining your product and its use, and make ChatGPT or tell ChatGPT to make a good description that can sell way more better. Then if you want to fill these other optional questions, as you can see, which are the tags and the section materials and so on. Then you have the inventory and pricing settings, and you have the shipping settings. Then last but not least, you have the returns and exchanges settings if you want to create your policy or apply simple policy. And when you're done, click on save and continue. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.